Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Wineinger Racing. Well, today I am back on the roll cage for the C10 project. And what I'm going to be doing is I got these plates in here. Now this plate here, you need to cut a hole in there so the tubing can go through there. This is laying nice and flat there. That's not a problem. This one here, I'm gonna have to heat it up and bend it, and it actually, if I'm gonna have that fit there, that bend runs kind of at a diagonal. So I'll be bending this thing from about here to here. Anyways, I'll figure that out. Heat that up, bend it, cut the holes. I gotta bend up this other bar for the other side, and I'll get that all bent up and installed. Now, in yesterday's video, I basically went through the process of how I achieved that one bar. Kind of dragged out and it was a little boring for some. If you're interested in the process, it might have kept you entertained, but so I'm not going to be showing all the work today. I'll be showing as the steps progress. I'll bring you guys back and show you what I actually did. If you're interested in the process, go back to yesterday's video and watch that. It was a lot of thinking in my brain and all that, so it might not have been the most entertaining video to watch. But like I said, if you're interested in the process, go ahead and watch it. But today it's going to be a little bit quicker. Just as things progress, we're going to be showing you what's going on. Okay, we'll see. All right, guys, well, I got a little bit of work done. I spent about an hour working on these plates. I marked them where they needed to be, blasted them through with the torches. These that are going in the corner, the front corner of the cab, they needed to be bent up like that, so I had to take the torch, heat them up, and bend them on up. Got these pieces of tubing fitting nice and tight there. After blasting them through with the torch, I take this little air grinder here and just clean all the slag out and any detailing I have to do to make them fit nice and tight. So the next step in this little project today is, yesterday I just tacked this in here, and I'm going to pull this back out, and then I got to pull the hoop back out in order to put the plates in here. I'll clean that all up. I'll be able to actually weld to the body, but I'm just going to tack these posts in position because in order to drop, I'll have to drop this all the way down in order to paint it and weld completely when that stage comes. So it won't be welded into the truck today, but it will be tacked in place so I can finish the fabrication. So I'm going to get to work on that. I got to take that one out. Still got to do some bending, but I'll bring you back when I'm a little bit further along. Well, guys, like I said in yesterday's video, the first one was the difficult one. I'm having to fudge back and forth, work with the angles, work with the tape measure, everything. But once I got that one perfect, I had that. All I had to do was mimic it. It literally took me 15 minutes to come up with that next one. I got to cut that off still right there, but the bends are perfect. The alignment of the bends are perfect, and that one's ready to go in. So I got to get the plates in, tacked in there, mounted. Then I can run the bars on through, and we're gonna have the second part of that cage done up real quick here. So I'll bring you back when it's time. We'll see you in a bit. Well, guys, I tell you, it's been a day. Let me just bring you on in here. So you got the plates down, mounted to the body on each side. I tell you what was a lot of fun was cleaning up, especially this side. 50 years of gunk in that corner, but I got down to steel, got some good tacks there. I got that bar in, sitting nice. What I'm going to be doing tomorrow is the tubing notching, and I got to bring the roof bar across there. So, and then we ordered a seat, so we're going to wait till the seat gets here to put the shoulder bar in. So, but there's a little detailing, little fine tuning on these pieces that I want to take care of tomorrow, and go ahead and drop the cage down and do all the welding on the top that I won't be able to do. If I went ahead and mounted to the floor. So anyways, we made some progress today. Everything is looking real good. So a little bit of fine tuning, but that's to be expected. Got the parts made, and it's all in there. It all looks real good. So until tomorrow, guys, it's a day, and like I said, it's going to take another, I'll be working on it this weekend, and each day I'll bring you guys a video as this cage progresses, and like and subscribe and follow us along on this project, because it's exciting getting this cage in here. But yeah, today was some work. These plates, even like to get this hoop in, we had to bring it in at an angle, so I had to elongate the holes. I had them absolutely cut perfect, and in order to get the bars in there I had to change that. But just a few things, nothing a nice thick weld won't cure. But there it is, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Talk to you later.